I would say that's a win. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the vlog. You're watching XKGLOW, and today I asked a question 2 videos ago, links above, how to get the black grill bumper inserts back to black. You guys might remember, if you've not seen the vlog, they're kind of looking a little gray, and there's an imprint of where the grill actually sits in there. Thanks to everybody that reached out to me. I had John Walsh actually message me shortly after the video dropped, and he told me to use a torch, and this is a propane torch, and to gently warm the area up, and you'll actually see it turning black. And then if you guys read the comments, you'll know that Bespoke Custom Jason actually told me to ceramic coat them, and that makes a lot of sense because the ceramic coating, when it goes on to the surface, it actually creates another hardened glossy surface. I tried both methods actually, and I took the torch and I got the plastic as to black as I could go. I'll show you guys right now. The first one, I actually did the top half, you can see, and there's the bottom. So there's the difference. That's where I've actually slightly warmed it with the torch, just gentle. I'm not going to show you guys this. This is dangerous. Do this at your own discretion, because I don't want to be responsible if you burn down or melt or destroy your parts. Only use this if this is something you are comfortable with. But you can see the difference between non-torched and torched. It's quite a good difference, and I'm really happy with these results. But I went one step even further. So I already did one panel, but I ceramic coated one piece already. So there's before, here's ceramic coating, there's a torched, and there is just basically off the car of how gray this piece was looking. So I think this is a massive improvement. Obviously you can still see a bit of the grill marks in here, but overall the rest of it I'm really pleased with, and I didn't have to paint them, no stinky fumes, and I think the ceramic coating is going to last for quite a long time. So let's torch the rest of this piece, and then we will go and do the actual ceramic coating process. I'll show you guys that. So keep watching, and in 3, 2, 1, torched. So I got the whole thing heated now. It's looking much better than what it was. Now let's ceramic coat it, and I'll show you guys how it turns out from there. Gloves, very important. So the ceramic coating choice is obviously your personal preference. I've been trying a whole bunch of different ones, from Sonics to Gion to a whole bunch of different ones, but this is the one I currently have. So you just want to rub it on your part all the surfaces. Obviously you can't see all of these surfaces, so it's not super critical because a lot of it's actually hidden behind the bumper. Then you want to use your microfiber towel and immediately buff it off. If you let it dry on the part, it will actually be super tough to get off, and you won't be happy with the results. That's pretty good. I'd say it's looking a lot better than what it was. I would say that's a win. I'm really happy with these results. We will let these cure for 24 hours or more. Gotta wait for the bumper to come back. I do know it's done and it's ready, and I should be receiving it any day now. So can't wait now that these are ready to go. All the grill inserts look much better. You can see nice and black, shiny. These are gonna look really good in the freshly painted bumper, and the whole front of the car is gonna look like brand new, which is exactly what I was hoping for. One of the other things that I didn't really show you much of was the manifold bracket. It turned out really nice. Excellent job of painting. So although our paint booth was an epic fail, I got some really nice results out of the painting and I'm happy with it. So we're gonna get this bracket remounted on the plate and get the manifold mounted, and then we should be able to get it back in the car. Let's get these bolts in. Comment if you guys think I should paint these bolts black or maybe get a black set. I don't know. These are honestly what I've had laying around the house, so I'll just finger tighten these for now. Now these bolts actually come with the manifold, so I can probably install these and then just use some black paint with a brush and touch up the bolts. Let me know what you guys think. There we go. I'll tighten these up when we get out to the garage, but it's back together. It's all ready to go. I hope you guys found the refurbishing of your black trim pieces, bumper pieces, informative. A huge shout out to Jason and John for helping me out getting these back to black, and no painting. So it's not like there's going to be a coating on here that's going to chip from rocks. It should be looking fairly good for another year until we take the bumper off again next year and do something different. I don't know if we still have the F30 by then, but that's going to conclude today's episode. I forgot to mention, for the torch and the ceramic coating, I've put some links below on the products that I used today. I hope you guys are all staying safe, staying healthy, getting to at least see your family that you live with, and hopefully you're not alone or going through the actual virus sickness, because I wouldn't want to wish that upon anybody. But Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Please like, comment, subscribe. Peace.